if that's going to teach us anything, actually. Ooh, what you got? What you got?
Check this out.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, dude.
Center console.
Oh,
Take a look in there.
God, yeah.
This is solving a year-long issue. This is a quality of life issue.
Yeah.
You know, since this was a Maryland State Police car,
Yeah.
they had their own center console, kind of like how Shaft does. But they took it out.
The police console.
Yeah, the police console. And at first, it was just under that plate. We'll take that off and show you guys, but it was just the tunnel. Parking brake was on top, a whole bunch of random wires that were cut. I don't know what to go to. But I can't tell you how much I hate not having cup holders. This is literally the only reason I bought this, so I can have cup holders. This is nice.
Yeah.
But this is the nicest part.
Yeah.
I bought this on Facebook Marketplace for, I think it was $400 in total. I think it was a deal because they sell on eBay like a little wooden box kind of thing that mounts on the very back and only goes up about halfway.
Specific to that plate, or
and it's like $350. This is $400 and it looks so much better.
What'd that come out of?
Chevy SS, the sedan.
Nice.
So the Caprice platform, but the newer one.
Okay.
They stopped making them.
Gotcha.
So they only made like 10,000.
Is there a part number on that? Or anything? Or is it just like look for...
Just look up Chevy SS.
Yeah, turn it around. Let me see.
You're not gonna find a lot. I'll tell you, this took a little while.
What is this right here? Other part number?
Oh, pin, PN, part number 922. Oh, no, I can't see. 922609060.
Nice.
So if any of you folks wanna buy one,
Yeah.
go watch this video, see how hard it is to install, because I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
All we know is that we gotta trim a lot of this stuff, which, you know, it's a little scary, but
Yeah.
spent $400 on this, so I better not ruin it.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's worth it. Like you said, like the Tahoe has that janky police one still that needs a full...
One of these.
And they're the same price, like $400 or $500 for a console. And then, like for the Tahoes, when you order them, they won't sell you this.
Oh yeah, you gotta.
Yeah, like
actually, so that
what?
is another thing that I have to buy still that I didn't.
Oh,
If you see right here, there's like when this hooks up to the car. I don't know if you can see it from here, but like where my foot would be. There's a filler panel that goes right here. So it'll look weird for a while, but I really don't care.
Yeah.
Because I just want cup holders.
Yeah.
Literally all I'm going for.
Yeah.
So $400 cup holders.
Yeah.
I guess.
All right.
Let's go and put that in. You know, we're in the garage today.
Yeah.
It is so cold. Like,
Yeah. It's
It's getting to that point where you're digging it through 6 inches of Carhartt for 3 inches of Pecker. It's bad. It is really
it
bad.
is.
So,
And that's being generous.
so we're chilling in the garage today. Hopefully, you know, it shouldn't be too bad.
All right.
But
Let's get after it.
we'll do it. So, first step is just to pull out, you know, the freaking plate that we have. Got this on eBay. I'm not sure how much or who it was from.
150, 200.
You just look up Caprice PPV.
Yeah.
Little bracket, center console bracket. It's not that hard.
Yeah.
I kept dropping my ID in between right here. There's like a little slit.
Oh, God.
So I already took the 2 out for a little while.
Just so you could get to your
Just
ID.
so I can, like, if it comes out, all I have to do is these two.
God.
So I just gotta take these. Look, these aren't even tight because I already knew.
This is foreshadowing. You knew this day was coming.
Oh yeah, I've been planning on this for since when did we buy this?
God, I don't...
April of this year, May.
Oh yeah, it was around that time,
Very,
wasn't
very
it?
Beginning, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the dealer made us wait because he was getting food
Oh God.
for like 4 hours sitting in the back of the Explorer.
Yeah, and then you try to like play it off as though he's
like,
doing something else.
Man,
Yeah.
I won't lie to y'all, I was getting food.
And then all of a sudden he cops to it like, bro,
Like,
I was
dude.
getting food. Like, what?
Tell us.
Yeah, we would have gone and got dinner.
Yeah, like let us
God.
go. So this is the plate. I don't know what we'll do.
Who needs a plate?
Yeah, who needs a plate?
Hey, we should do our first giveaway with this plate.
Yeah, you gotta buy $300 worth of merch to get one ticket.
The first person to actually buy something from our merch shop gets
We'll
a
get
free.
or a ticket, or they will get it.
They will win the
metal plate.
yeah.
Hopefully you have a Caprice.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Anyways,
So, here's
dude,
that
what's with
center
all
part.
this down? All this
I don't know.
egads. Oh,
Yeah, so this is
the wires to nowhere.
Yeah, I don't know where these go. These are probably where the computer was.
Oh my god. All right, let's get your console and see what that looks like. Oh Lord. Well, it's a good looking console, and I like the idea of these extra buttons to like hook something up to it, like a two-step or a
Can we go two-step on these?
or a nitrous button.
Like something crazy, like a scramble.
Oh yeah.
So in theory, it's just like that.
That's perfect.
Yeah, I could drive like that.
Dang. That was the easiest
All right, guys,
install.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment.
It's just gonna be so much fun.
Oh yeah. So from what I saw, the guy that I bought it from, he gave me kind of like a couple pictures on how to do it. We have to trim the bottom of this, like most from like here. All these AC ducts that go to here, little AC ducts over here, and we don't need that because I don't have AC. I mean, I do, but you know. So that needs to be all cut out, and then the parking brake thing itself here needs to like cut right here, right across, and then this just comes out, and this isn't even, this part's not even connected. So we just that,
Okay. Gotcha.
and then all that stuff should, in theory, just go right there.
All right.
Which, you know, we say in theory a lot. I don't know. He said it's gonna take 30 minutes max. The guy that I was talking to.
Dude,
This looks like
YouTube
a
minutes
3-hour
or
max.
regular minutes?
This looks like 3 hours, but
Okay.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I'm already sweating.
Yeah, all right. This will be part of the giveaway. I'm giving this away. I don't want it no more. Should have just bought the freaking wooden one.
Oh God.
Yeah. All right. Well,
All right. Let's do it.
get to it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but this is where we're gonna cut on this side. We're cutting along this line right here because we want to keep the like the actual trim, whatever screw place.
Yeah, the tie into
Yeah. And then it goes all the way down to here, and it's like a little L.
Yeah.
And then just copy that on the other side, and this whole duct will kind of come out, leaving a lot more space for the parking brake to sit in the middle right there.
For your reference, this is just a metal cutting blade. It's not
Yeah.
plastic or anything specific. It's just what we had on hand.
Yeah.
Because remember, this is supposed to be a 30-minute job, so
We're about 30 minutes in. Measure twice. Now we're gonna cut on this line. It's a lot closer. Leaves a little bit more, or takes away a lot more space from that screw. And then you cut right here. You don't actually cut that close. We're kind of using this notch as a reference. In his photo, he had about like an inch above, and then cut over here, kind of where it starts to curve up on this other notch.
yeah.
So just gets
I'm so glad I get the responsibility to do this.
Well, I gotta record, supervise. I gotta make sure you're doing it right, you know.
All right.
Awesome.
I can't ignore. Sitting's painful, that's for sure. Damn, these piles a painful chore. Doctor says it's what I eat. Too much whiskey, too much meat. Sitting's like a cactus feet. Itching, burning, no retreat. Burning cowboy in the saddle, fighting pain like a battle. Hemorrhoids, they sure do rattle. Wish I had a comfy saddle. Every mile's a thorny ride. Can't escape, can't go hide. Got no shame, got no pride. Hemorrhoids are my daily slide. Got my cream sitting in the fridge, praying for some kind of bridge. Crossing this pain makes me a grudge. Life on fire, ain't no fudge. Burning cowboy in the saddle, fighting pain like a battle.
With the very professional and tactical trimming done on well, we think it's done
It's good enough.
on the center console. Now, pull out this freaking sucker, right? Okay. Oh, okay. It's got 2 screws. I can't put it in position right now, but this is where it sits, right in this area. It's got 2 screws where you put your change. It's just 2 little Phillips.
Okay.
Rip those out, and you can literally just grab both and just manhandle it out.
Okay.
And then in mine, I'm not sure about yours. I have zip tie right here holding the harness. I'm just gonna clip that little zip tie right there. We don't want it.
You got it?
Okay.
Nice.
So in the Caprice PPV and the Chevy SS, it's 2 different moldings, I guess you could call it, plastic trim pieces. So there's this website, I'll put a link in the description, called IPR Racing. They make the I guess you call it a beauty panel, filler panel, because once this is up here, it'll sit kind of like this, and there won't be anything right here. It'll look really ugly. So you know, you kind of probably want to buy that. I bought that, or I'm going to buy it. Didn't do that though, so I'm gonna have a little ugly filler panel here, but I think it's like 40, 50 bucks. It's nothing crazy.
Worth it.
Oh,
You've gone this far, you might as well.
I know. If you're, and then it also, you can buy a like a little bucket right here where the automatic shifter goes. It's kind of like a little change thing right there or something.
Okay.
And I think he even sells like a wireless mounting pod that goes on to it as well. Which I was thinking about at the same time. I want to be able to use my USB ports, so probably not gonna do that. But now that that's done, you just kind of shove it in place.
All right, let's do that.
Ooh, I like that steering wheel cover, boy.
Best thing I've ever received as a gift.
Oh, dang, that feels good too.
Comfy.
Yeah. Is it heated?
Well, yes and no.
Good color choice.
Yeah.
All right, what do you got? In phase 2.
That
Step 2.
piece we were talking about that fills in
All right.
the corners here, so that'll go there. And this trim will go
Okay.
here. You see where it kind of lines up in
Yep.
there. And then this kind of go like this, and that will kind of go here or
Okay, gotcha.
other way, something like.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
See where these holes line up for that.
Oh,
And
nice. Then you got your trim piece.
this somehow in there, and then this, and then I'll have a full center console.
Well, get to work, boy.
Okay. Sure.
Ah,
Let's just trying to get this to fit in there.
Is it just, I mean, because this is all 3D printed, right? So there's probably have to trim, maybe?
I actually don't think so.
No?
It looks different from his photo. Like this looks like it's already pre-cut.
Pre-cut,
ready. Like
yeah.
I think the dude that did the 3D
Yeah.
printing stuff made it work. I don't know.
Okay.
We'll figure that out though. I just gotta.
I'm just so thankful there's people out there that actually do this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like these little problems they figure out, make it work. Like
I
how
would
on
not-
earth?
I'd not be able to figure that out.
Mad
think-
respect for that.
These up here go through here.
Okay.
So just need to unbolt the center console, my one bolt. Do it by hand.
Well, that's why we left the one bolt. We were preparing for this moment.
Need a screwdriver.
It's a real professional show here we got going on. Look at that kid. He's gonna open every drawer to find a screwdriver. Like literally next drawer down. He's been in this toolbox 500 times. He still doesn't know which drawer is what. Okay, now he's gonna come back. Oh, looks like he's got some choices here. Gonna shop around the table of parts. Ooh, I wonder where this is. Well, this ought to work. Oh, see that? Yeah. Oh, guess he found one. Here we go. Okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, you got them all? All right. Well, I'm sure we'll figure it out.
All right, get to work.
Yeah. Line up your back holes, like kind of like, you know how we like line it up from the rear first to set it on. How's fitment? Okay. Still doesn't fit. What in the world? Isn't even close. Okay, we're still off after that trimming. All this to hold a soda pop and a wallet.
I just have to go without all this stuff. It's fine.
All right.
Heard it click somewhere.
Nice.
So it's good enough for me.
Yeah. Well, there she is. 30-minute job done in
3 hours.
3 hours.
4 days, 3 hours. A little while, but look at that. Now I can just that there. Or if I really wanted to, like, put my wallet there, put my phone here, and
Woo-wee.
oops. Put that there, put the keys here. I'll tell you how much of a upgrade this is. This is a must on any of these cars.
Honest to God, it is. Yeah.
Like I can't even begin to explain how frustrating it was trying to drive like this with a drink here, food in my lap, like just trying to like keep it straight.
Just trying to wheel.
Yeah. So I think this is a worthy investment if you guys can find one. Pick it up. It's worth the price. I've seen these going on on eBay for like $800-900. I got this for $400, so I can't complain at all. That guy, IPR Racing, I believe, he's the one that made this bucket right here. And then the side trim pieces. He makes a couple other things too. You can get one, I think I talked about that has a wireless charger right here. So you can just kind of like set your phone up like this, which I didn't want because I still wanted all this space and then be able to run my cord just in case I wanted to charge anything else. Yeah. I would highly recommend this. I'll put a link in the description. I can't remember the name. Yeah.